Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can take backup of your Notion database, so if it accidentally gets deleted you can always restore it. So in order to take backup of your data in Notion, simply go to Notion and from the left panel go to settings and members. Here you have to go to settings and you have to scroll down and you get this option, export contact. Click on it and select it to CSV, and everything else is good, so simply press export. And what it's doing is it is adding all of your workspace data, all of your workspace contact into a CSV file, and as you can see it has just downloaded the CSV file for us. So now we have a backup of our Notion database in a CSV file. So if our data gets deleted or if we want to add our data into another device, we can simply do that by using that CSV file that we just created as a backup. So this is how you create a backup of your data in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.